Go back there, please.
Are known to be long distance runners. You go to Jamaica as short distance runners. So if you combine the two, the race to regain the glory of Haiti is very fast, and we are focusing on that. Lastly, the beautiful people, the people I like, the media. Thank you very much. You've been with us in this fight, and you will continue to be with us, and we'll be together because you contribute a lot. Otherwise, after this, with your permission, Your Excellency, I request that we have a photo session here. Then after that, we'll go to the VIP lounge just for a brief from the head of delegation from Kenya. With your permission, the media, you give us some space so that at least we can take photos, please. I know you, currently the media here are professionals. They understand us and we understand them.
Support of Italy, the support of Algeria, amongst many others that have supported the MSS, not obviously forgetting the support of the United Nations, as well as the countries in the region, principally CARICOM, that include Jamaica, Belize, Bahamas, as well as further afield in the region that include Guatemala and El Salvador, that have come to support the desire of the Haitian people to live in peace and in freedom. I wish to once again also reiterate what has been already said by the President of Kenya, that the government of Kenya is going to open a consulate here. The consulate is going to be open in a very short while, and the consulate